Today is the 31st of March, 31st of May, 2026. 376 years ago, on the 30th of May, there was a violent encounter between the Kalinago people of Grenada and the French, wherein many Kalinago people lost their lives. But Dr. Lennox Honeychurch said something. He said, Sauteurs was not the end of it. So we're here today because Sauteurs was not the end of it. Kalinago people are still alive in their descendants who walked this land, Grenada and Dominica and other places throughout the Caribbean through the Garifuna people. And it's also really great that on the webinar, we have Sharon Pascal of Grenada, who acknowledges her Kalinago heritage, as well as Ritisha Smith Boyd. And we also have a very special message from Chief Annette Thomas Sanford, first Kalinago Chief of Grenada. What? I'm giving Grenada Kalinago Chief? That means, Chief Annette, you have to come to Grenada. So Chief Annette Thomas Sanford is the first female Kalinago Chief of Dominica, and she's here with us. And I always feel a sense of pride and happiness whenever I see she's present somewhere, and I'm present there too. So we thank everyone for being here and acknowledging that this time in Grenada was the birth, the manifestation of Le Morne des Sauteurs, or Leapers Hill, where the Kalinagos were attacked and ultimately leaped into the sea, rocks below. Story tell us, and we do our research to fill the gaps in the story. So thank you again for being here.